สวัสดีค่ะ Today, good morning. I am in downtown Chiang Mai today. I am at the vegetarian restaurant. This one is nearby Chiang Mai Gate. It's quite loud, sorry for the car. So this is my favorite vegetarian restaurant. During this time in Thailand, from the 17 to 25 of October is a vegetarian festival, right? So vegetarian foods all over town now. I am being vegetarian for 9 days. Today is my 4th day. So today I like to introduce you to this restaurant. This is they make really good Thai vegetarian Thai food. Right next to Chiang Mai Gate. So this is Chiang Mai Gate. Okay, let's have a look inside. What do they have today? Oh, this is my favorite. All made from mushroom and flowers and veggies and proteins. Bitter cucumber soup, morning glory curry, jackfruit curry, lab, and this one pumpkin, bok choy, mee sua, the noodles, and this is a mushroom. All these are vegetarian vegan, which is like some of them with eggs, some with no eggs, and tofu. So this is 100%. If any of you interested when you come to Chiang Mai and if you are vegetarian, I highly recommend this one. It's really good. Has been long time, like since I know them, like more than 20 years. All different type. This is snack. This is look like a pork satay, but it's not pork. Sandwich, CJ. This one, mango, salad roll, all vegetarian vegan. This is gonna be our breakfast. I'm so hungry and I'm excited. Haven't been here for a while. Okay, I'm gonna pick what I'm going to have. ใส่ได้ไหมผมไปเลยเอาใส่ถ้วยดีกว่าเอาถั่วไม่ใส่ข้างๆข้าวหน่อย Oh, this is awesome. This is vegetarian seasoning duck. See? Duck. Oh, they look like duck meat. They look real. They're very talented, isn't it? I think for people that not, this is chicken. Like for barbecue chicken. That look like a chicken meat for real. See? Or vegetarian roasted chicken. You can also put in a toaster oven, fire, like barbecue and charcoal. I think for people that are not vegetarian, when you see this and you eat, you know, you can enjoy it because it tastes pretty close. And it's good for the mind when you see like, oh, it's fantastic. Like a meat. And the pork. Like vegetarian chitterland. The chitterling vegetarian. Wheat flowers. Again, soybean. In Thai they say ไส้หมูเจ Actually ไส้หมู like more like intestine. 20 baht, 500 gram. You can bring this to cook at home or in some restaurant where make vegetarian smaller one. They come and buy both the product here and cook. And I also come and get the products here when we're teaching vegetarian, you know, like vegan people that take our cooking class, because we're teaching vegetarian and vegan, so we get the stuff here because I like this restaurant and this shop because it's good quality of the ingredients, and also it's very nice and clean, and you can be sure that you have fresh ingredients, you know, all the time. And a lot of ingredient here, you see, it made it not very far from our home. I wouldn't get to buy from their home because they make it and they bring to the shop to sell in Kansai area. They have protein, soybean oil, flowers, and vegetarian seasoning. Sabin fish. They try to make it like a sabin fish, like chop up. This is make like a tilapia. This is more like a sausage, you know, like Chiang Mai sausage, muyo. It looks similar to Vietnamese sausage. It's a lot of tourists, foreigner know as Vietnamese sausage, but this is a vegetarian version. Yeah. Flowers, mushroom. Most of the ingredients here are made from mushroom and flowers. Vegetarian version. You see, spicy, a lot of lemongrass, coffee lime leaf, a lot of herb, chili, you know. And then they have more stuff. They have hot dog day. You can keep it warm too. See this, but this before cooking, you have to soak different. These are like chili powder. They mix, so we call nam prik in Thai. Nam prik that is like a paste. You know, like paste. Dipping, you can dip with boiled vegetables and things, you know. All different recipes, nam prik da dang, nam prik jay. All these are vegetarian with paste or with dry. This paraje, like in Thai, if you're not vegetarian, it's fermented fish, like ground or whole fish. But this they use the vegetarian because a lot of local cuisine here, in the north, in the Isan, they use a lot of para fermented fish. But also, so for vegetarian northern or local dish, they add this, and also grapi, like a shrimp paste. But this is a vegetarian shrimp paste. All this. Sometimes I have a question like where I can get like vegetarian version of shrimp paste to replace when I'm teaching the class the Thai, the regular shrimp paste. So I always recommend them. I always tell them in the map like here next to Chiang Mai Gate, this is a shop that where you can get the shrimp paste, vegetarian a day. You always fit your fish food, but you would think if you don't know, you put somewhere like a fish food, huh? There's a protein, yeah. It's a soak in water first.